Hi! We're back in my bathroom to fuck up my hair. As you saw from the title of this, I'm gonna be bleaching and attempting to cut my own hair. What's gonna happen? I don't know. Probably a lot of fuckery and burning my hair off or just ruining it. As you can tell, my hair is like really damaged at the ends already, so we're gonna be bleaching those last. My plan of action is to do bleaching first, bleach like here to maybe about here first, and then go back in and do my roots and ends. Hopefully my ends don't just completely fall off, but if they do, whatever. So the bleach I'm going to be using is Salon Care Quick White, and I'm going to be using a 20 volume developer. This might just all be a huge fucking mistake. Cute. If you guys haven't already noticed, my hair is very thin, so I am really scared about it just all falling off, but fuck it, it's hair, it'll eventually grow back, and if it does fall off, that gives me an excuse to buy a $300 wig that I want. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and mix up my bleach. Okay, so this comes with a baggie of the powder and a scoop, and then in a bowl, I'm going to do 2 scoops of the powder, and then I'm gonna do 2 scoops of the developer. And I'm saying fuck it to a test strand today. However, if you are doing this, please do a test strand. I have accepted the fact that my hair is probably gonna fall out and I'm going to be bald, but you might not want that. I also got hair foil. Wish me luck. It's slowly getting down to my ends, which is what I didn't want to happen, but that's my fault. So let's just go ahead and do it. Fuck it. You guys can't tell, I'm very obviously not a professional, so don't take any of my advice. I'm kind of just using the foil to keep the hair off of my neck. Wow. Oh, I got it way too high on that one. It's already up at my roots a little bit. This is just like a disgrace to anyone who actually knows how to do hair. Now time to do the top. I think the blue hair is fun, but it's just such a pain in the ass to get out. I think I'm gonna leave the top out of foil just so we can kind of see what is going on. And then here, when I get done with this side, putting the bleach on it, I will take this off and we'll look and see how that's doing. Do this. Oh! There isn't any hair in here, so that's good. But wow. I'm definitely gonna need toner. Oh wow. Okay, let's look at the rest of my hair, see how it's going. See, like this back here isn't as, I mean it is, but it doesn't look as blonde, and it still looks like it's got some of the bluish tintage going on in there. Oh my god, I'm gonna be like nasty platinum blonde. I'm trying to decide if I should go ahead and do my roots while the rest of this sits, so that way I just have to wash it once. I think I might go ahead and do that. I have this like blue part right here that really isn't wanting to like lift fully. This has definitely got still like quite a bit of blue in it. I'm hoping that it'll lift. Is my hair gonna feel like straw after this? Most likely. It's like just the top doesn't want to like get as blonde as the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit for just another minute to make sure that my roots get done, and then I'll wash it out and I'll be back. And hopefully I'll have hair. Okay, I just washed this out. The ends, the color is amazing. They were lighter than this already, and they're gonna be completely dead and need to be cut off. This up here definitely needs a toner. I'm gonna have to go pick one up and try to correct that a little bit. And I've still got some green in areas, especially like up here in the front and on my roots going this way. Definitely still got some like green tint here, really bad like back this way up towards my roots there. Like really it turned out a lot better than I expected it to. I mean, I was expecting like all my hair to fall out, but I've still got some. And my hair was pretty thin to begin with. My hairline is so bad. However, I think now it is time to cut my hair, which I'm kind of worried about, but everything will be okay. I'm just gonna part my hair down the middle, all the way down the back. God, I really just got like big green patches right up in there. Me taking a couple of these little plastic rubber bands, and then I'm going to join them up the middle here, and then I'm gonna put another rubber band on where I'm wanting to cut. So I'm gonna start off real small in case I really fuck this up. Okay, everybody, pray for me. Would have helped if these were a little bit sharper. I'm terrified. That actually looks pretty good. I mean, like, it looks like it cut even for the most part. I'm gonna let this dry, see what my hair looks like, and see if I need to cut more. And if I do, I'll just do that exact same process. Okay, hi friends. It has been like a week since I bleached my hair, and it is very obviously not that disgusting ass bright yellow now. It's actually pretty, I was gonna say it's actually pretty. For real. No, it's like actually a nice color and I really like it. What I did was I cut a little bit more off my ends because they were really gross. I used the same process and then I toned it, and I used the Ion Brights in the color Platinum Lace. And when I first did it, it turned these lighter ends down here like a bright silver, and now they've kind of like washed down to like this just light kind of blonde color. I don't know, they look kind of silver in the camera. And then my tops is this like nice honey blonde, and I really like it. My hair feels really nice. It doesn't feel extremely damaged or anything like that. And where I had like all that blue still up around this area, and I had that streak right here. When I did that Ion Brights, it just mixed it in with everything else, which I am so happy about because I did not want to bleach my hair again. This video probably wasn't like as entertaining as some of my other ones because I wasn't like really stupid because I was really focusing on that like ruining my hair. I don't know. If you guys want to like bleach your hair and stuff at home, I say go for it, but make sure you completely understand that there is the chance that you will have no hair afterward. No hair. I accepted the possibility that I would have no fucking hair. So if you're gonna fucking fuck up your hair at home, make sure you accept that fact. Live your life, I guess. But if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to me if you want to. If you don't, that's fine. Why do good girls like bad guys? I've had this question for a real long time. Okay, anyway, I'm just gonna go. I don't know how to end this. Bye, friends.